The oldest known musical instruments. The world's oldest known musical instruments are flutes made from bird bones and mammoth ivory, discovered in Swabian Jura, Germany, dating back to around 35,000 years ago. Step into the past, where music takes its first breath. We're in Swabian Jura, Germany, 35,000 years ago. Here, our ancestors craft flutes from bird bones and mammoth ivory. These aren't mere artifacts. They're the world's oldest known musical instruments. Each note tells a tale of human creativity, of our innate desire to express and connect. With these flutes, early humans shared stories, emotions, and experiences. They were more than tools, they were the beginning of a universal language, music. So, remember where your favorite tune stems from. It's a legacy, 35,000 years in the making. From bird bone flutes to modern instruments, music remains a timeless bond, uniting us all.